the years, we have read and heard stories on social media claiming that Filipinas are easy to get, especially for foreigners. Is there any truth to this? What message would you like to give people who feel that all Filipino women are easy to get? Do you feel Filipino women still make the best wives despite being exposed to toxicity? What's your name and age?
Hi po, I'm God, 23.
Okay. Okay, here's the question. Over the years, we have read and heard stories on social media claiming that Filipinas are easy to get, especially for foreigners. Is there any truth to this?
Well, for me, I don't think so, cause Filipinas are known for being loving, and we really don't care about status and money at all. So that's it.
Okay. In this modern era, where Filipinas are influenced by the West through social media, do you feel Filipino women still make the best wives despite being exposed to toxicity?
Well, I guess so, cause Filipinas are known to be gentle, and well, I guess it differs from one person to another. Well, for me, Filipinas are a great wives. Changing is inevitable, right? So it's just a matter of perspective. Um, there are a lot of women that that are still um have this traditional mindset that if you're a wife, you have to cater your husband's needs. And though that's not for all, I'm not speaking for general, it's just for me.
Okay, at least you have faith, still have faith that Filipinas are still great wives, right? Okay. Now, since you mentioned earlier that you believe that Filipinas are not easy to get, right? Now, here's the question number three. Okay, what message would you like to give people who feel that all Filipino women are easy to get?
Well, for me, if the person is happy, that's their choice. And it's just that people are when someone's happy, people tend to destroy it for them. So please don't do that. Please let other people enjoy what they love, right? That's it.
That's very positive. Okay. You mentioned you're 23 years old.
Yeah, yeah.
Are you single or do you have a boyfriend now?
I'm single.
Since how long have you been single?
It's been 5 years.
Wow. Why is that? Like 5 years? That's quite long already.
I don't know. It's just that I really haven't been onto dating lately. I am focusing on myself and my career and family. That's all.
Okay, that's lovely. Career. You have work, right?
Yeah, I heard.
May we know what's your job, if it's okay with you?
I'm technical support.
What are your names and age?
Hello po, I'm Mega, 19.
Hello, I'm Anger and I'm 19 years old.
Both 19 years old. Okay. Now, here's the question. Okay, over the years, we have read and heard stories on social media claiming that Filipinas are easy to get, especially for foreigners. Is there any truth to this?
I think some Filipinas have what do you call this hidden intention. Some of them, I think that's why Filipinas have labeled some of the Filipinas here in the Philippines have been labeled that what is the question again?
That they're easy to get.
Yes, that they is easy to get. So I think
It's yes.
yes.
You mentioned about intentions. So, what are these intentions?
I think it's about the gold digging.
Okay. So, they're after their money. That's why they're easy to get.
Yes.
Okay. How about you?
For me, Filipinas are not easy to get. I mean, it is prevalent in our society right now because due to the norm that Filipinas are only aiming for, again, as she said, aiming for the money for the foreigners. But we know that Filipinas, or in our culture, there is such thing that's what we call very conservative people, that we still believe in what we call pangliligaw. So it's a way of courting. It is a courting to get the Filipinas heart, not just by through external factors such as money, but also knowing that if their husband has a good heart, that's also the way of through their heart also.
That's interesting. Both of you have different opinions. Okay, now in this modern era where Filipinas are influenced by the West through social media, do you feel Filipino women still make the best wives despite being exposed to toxicity?
I think yes, because I heard somewhere, I don't know, or I forgot where, that Filipinas, because of our nature of hospitality, Filipinas have been they were known for being loving, caring, and that's why the foreigners love them.
How about you, Beth?
For me, for my opinion, yes. Filipinas still make the best wives. Since as she said, their culture is known for their hospitality, but also our culture is known to be family centered. So once a Filipina set her heart to take care of her family, they're also known that they will disregard their career just for the sake of taking care of their children, for their husband. They also aim for the growth of the family rather than on their own. So mostly Filipinas are just Filipinas or Filipino women or wives are mostly found also in their homes, which is sad because in our society right now, we should also promote that Filipinas, such as wives, also promote their own passion to have their career outgrow rather than just in their household.
Okay. Do you believe that even though I've seen like Filipinas, just like what you mentioned that their wives at the same time they're also like independent. They have their own career. Do you think they also they're still make the best wives even though they have their own career?
For me, yes, of course, because even though there's such as like divided attention because due to the career and taking care of their family, but they also still make the best wives because it doesn't take it doesn't interfere, take away their willingness to take care of the family and to love them.
Okay. Okay, this is for you, Beb, because you mentioned earlier that Filipinas are not easy to get, right? The first question. Okay, so now, what message would you like to give people who feel that all Filipino women are easy to get?
For me, Filipinos should remove that kind of mindset or norms that Filipinas are easy to get because as a Filipino right now, um, because it also stems that saying that it also somehow kind of objectify women, that they're easy to get is somehow um like they'll just do something not they'll not do something genuine. So once they will just do the things that they thought that will be easy to get, or like just yung tinatawag po sa atin sa Philippines sa pakitang tao. So like doing those kind of things, it also creates a toxic mindset, or also yun nga po, parang in-objectify ang woman just because of easy to get.
Okay. So, what do you call this? You mentioned about the pakitang tao. Is that two-faced? Is that correct? Two-faced, pakitang tao?
Yun, because of ano, of the intention. So being two-faced to the women's also states that their intention sometimes right now the also one of our problems as a Filipina is the intention of not really getting the girl through their heart, but just like wanting them for to satisfy their pleasure, such as for their body.
Anyway, thank you so much. We really appreciate your time. Thank you. 19 years old. Both singles?
Yes.
Both singles. I guess you're so busy because you're nursing students, right? Okay, thank you so much, Bae. We really appreciate your time. Thank you. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflection